Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sign in into your CapCut mobile. So here I've already opened CapCut and if you haven't signed in to the CapCut account, you'll be facing this page. So there are four options that you can choose. You can log in to CapCut with your TikTok account, or you can sign in with Google, email, or Facebook account. So in here, just choose between these four options. For example, I'm going to just sign in with my Facebook. So click on the sign in with Facebook, and now CapCut will load. If you already sign in to the Facebook in your phone on your phone, CapCut will automatically connect it and you'll be sign in seconds like this. I've already signed in and that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.